Imani and I'm back with another hair tutorial for you guys. Today I'm gonna try to do a protective style, some braids. This is the hair I got. I got 2 packs of this hair. I ain't never used it before. And then I got this hair, the Marley Jamaican braids. So I'm gonna try to do some knotless or whatever. We're gonna see how it come out. I'm gonna start it. First I gotta part it and stuff like that because I think I'm gonna do them medium size. I blew out my hair, or tried to blow out my hair last night. I'll show y'all what it looked like. If y'all are new, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel for more content, more videos like this. If y'all like hairstyles, cause I like to just do stuff. And then if y'all are subscribed, hey, welcome back. I know I ain't posted in a minute. I ain't really been on it how I was. But look, y'all, I think my hair done grew. What y'all think? Cause y'all know when I cut it, it was like right here. Like it was a little below my ear, I feel like. This is what my hair looking like. And then I also be using the Even braid formula super hold. And make sure y'all go in my description so you can get 10% off all Even products as well, okay? But yeah, I think my hair done grew. Anyways, I'm gonna go in my room and then I'm gonna part it or whatever and get started on it. We're gonna see what I come up with. Hopefully it turn out cute. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get right to it. Okay, so I got my first little section in the back. I'll show y'all what it looks like. I'm gonna try to get it as straight as I can. I've never been good at parting the back like that. But y'all see I got the middle part and I got the front section off. The front be the easiest to section and part because you can see, y'all know that. But I'm gonna start in the back and then I'm gonna speed this up. But when I get to the front, that's when I'll show y'all what I'm doing. Okay, I've done the first row in the back. This is what they look like. I feel like the Marley twist hair, whatever, just helps it blend with my hair more. So we're gonna see how it turn out, y'all. I finished the second row. I'll show y'all. Now I'm gonna take a quick little break and then I'm gonna be back at it. except for these 2 rows up here. So now I'm gonna show y'all how I do them. Okay, for this section, I'm gonna do 3 right here. For the parting, I did 1, 2, and then 3. 1, 2, 3 on this side. In the back, I did 4, 5, 4, 3. In case y'all wanted to know that. So I'm gonna start with the front. Make sure I got some dandruff, y'all. Ain't no. Oh, dang. I got my section. First thing I do, get some of the even stuff. I might make this like, no, I'm gonna keep it like this. And then I put it on the roots and I just comb it through. Make sure my part good still. Okay, so I got it on there. Next thing I do, for each braid, I just been doing 3 little, 3 pieces of the hair. Ooh. So I just go ahead, take out them pieces. And then I've been using this hair too. But you know, of course you can just use the braiding hair or whatever. And it just tangled up. And I've just been using 1 piece. I feel like it just helps it blend more with my hair. It makes them thicker too. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is start the braid. And you gotta make sure it's tight. And then you just braid it. But just do like 1 braid. Do it 1 time. And then you get your piece of hair. And I just put it on the first piece and the last piece. The middle piece is just my hair. And then I keep braiding it. Braid it down a little. Ooh. Okay. And then I get a piece of little Marley hair. And then I add it in there the same way, like first piece, last piece. And then you just keep braiding. But make sure you put some of the stuff on there. And then after that, Add another piece. And then make sure you got enough product on there. Just keep braiding down. But once you get to like the end of your hair, what's worked best for me is adding a piece of hair right there, right when your hair ends, just because it makes it better to tuck it or whatever. Add you some product on there, and that's it really. I'll do the other one to show y'all too, but this really is the easiest protective style I did, and it's taking the least amount of time, even though like I've been doing it all day, but it's gonna be too cute.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just
All right, y'all, this is the final look. This is my first time doing these braids, but I think that they came out pretty good. They're about waist length. It only took me really all day just because I had other stuff going on and I took breaks, but it was really quick to do. The even works really good as well. I would definitely recommend it even for 4C hair, just because it got my hair really slick, and it's no white. And you know, like with the Shine Jam, it don't really hold my hair, like my hair, because I have 4C hair, so I don't really hold it like that. But this is what they looking like. Talk to me in the comments, of course. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.
what am I missing? Say like a game on from a sugar daddy or a drug dealer.